Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the ANNPOTS men's casual sneakers, arguably one of the comfiest shoes for standing all day. Whether you're working, walking, or working out, these sneakers promise to deliver on style, comfort, and performance. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Please watch the video till the end. First up, let's talk about the design. These sneakers come in three colors: vibrant red, sleek gray, and classic black. The red variant is perfect if you want to make a statement. It's bold, eye-catching, and has a unique textured upper that really stands out. But if you're more into subtle styles, the gray option offers a clean and modern look with just a hint of orange for a pop of color. And for those who prefer a classic approach, you can't go wrong with the all-black variant. Simple, versatile, and perfect for any outfit. Now, let's dig into what makes these shoes special. ANNPOTS has really focused on comfort with these sneakers, starting with the breathable mesh upper. This air mesh material allows your feet to stay cool and dry, even if you're wearing them all day long. It's a big plus, especially if you're on your feet on a concrete floor or out in hot weather. Another key feature is the EVA insole. EVA, or ethylene vinyl acetate, is known for its excellent shock-absorbing properties. This means your feet get that extra cushioning they need, especially if you're covering long distances or standing for hours. It provides just the right amount of arch support, helping reduce fatigue. If you like shoes, you will find the link of the shoes in the description and in the comment section. Moving on to the outsole. These sneakers feature a durable rubber material that's non-slip and designed for stability. This makes them perfect for various surfaces, whether you're walking on slippery tiles or a rugged outdoor path. These shoes keep you steady and secure. And check out the unique sole design. It's not just about aesthetics, the sole actually adds to the comfort and support. The wave-like pattern helps with shock absorption and provides a bit of a spring with every step. ANNPOTS also incorporates flywire technology in these sneakers. This means strategically placed fibers that wrap around your foot to give you that secure, locked-in feel. It's perfect for keeping your foot stable, especially during quick movements or when you're on uneven ground. Plus, the shoes fit true to size. So, no guessing games when it comes to finding the right fit. Just pick your usual size, and you're good to go. If you like shoes, you will find the link of the shoes in the description and in the comments section. So, who are these sneakers really for? Honestly, these are a fantastic option for anyone who needs comfort and support throughout the day. If you work in retail, hospitality, healthcare, or any job that requires you to stand all day, these could be your new best friend. They're also great for casual runners or gym goers who need a versatile shoe that can transition from the street to the treadmill without missing a beat. And let's not forget, they look great. Whether you're pairing them with jeans, shorts, or even casual business wear, these sneakers can elevate your outfit while keeping your feet happy. Let's wrap up with some pros and cons. On the plus side, these sneakers are breathable, comfortable, and stylish. They offer great stability with a non-slip sole and have a reliable fit thanks to flywire technology. However, one potential downside is that the bold design, particularly the red variant, might not be everyone's taste. And if you're looking for something super minimalist, the unique sole design might feel a bit too much. In conclusion, the ANNPOTS men's casual sneakers are a solid choice if you're in the market for comfortable, stylish, and functional shoes that can handle long hours of wear. They deliver on breathability, cushioning, and support all key elements for anyone who's constantly on their feet. So if you're looking to step up your shoe game, these might just be the perfect fit. If you like shoes, you will find the link of the shoes in the description and in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you've tried these shoes or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay stylish and comfortable.